Hey everyone, Kate
and Kenzie here at My Absolute Beauty. We are the USA headquarters for Everlasting Brows and Ellie Bonnet. Happy Thursday to everyone. Hope your week has been going great. I think this is our first time going live here on the Everlasting USA page, so that's exciting. We've got Mab Insider on one screen and Everlasting Brows on the other. So you can check us out on either of those pages.
Yes, so Kenzie's in charge of our social media. So anything social media, she's always, and marketing, you're always behind and doing. And then I am the educator in-house here at My Absolute Beauty at the headquarters here in Washington, Utah.
Yep, she is our headmaster trainer, so she's pretty cool. She's here in-house with us, so that's pretty cool. We just barely finished our next door, which is the Mad Lounge.
Yes.
So soon we'll be able to offer trainings right here in our building. We're located in Southern Utah.
Really soon.
Yep, we've got trainings coming up in next week.
Not next week. The end of
the last week of January. Yes. We've got a henna training, lash lift training.
Classic eyelash extensions,
and classic volume. And volume.
And so they're separate, but it will take the whole week.
Yeah.
This volume is a 2-day course too. But it's cool. I'm really excited. Can't wait to meet people. So we're gonna be doing that all at the end of January. Yeah. So there's that. The winner, you want to announce the winner for the Instagram?
So for those of you that don't know, over on My Absolute Beauty, we have like a different theme for each day of the week. Mm-hmm. So yesterday was Win It Wednesday, where we post a giveaway for one day. We post it first thing in the morning and announce the winner the next morning. Thursday morning. So our winner from yesterday was Selfie Studio, and that begins with a C, not an S. So CELFIE Studio. Go check her out over on Instagram. Give her, likes, follow, that kind of stuff. She's got really awesome work. Yeah. Her pictures are great too. Yeah. I'm like,
it's nice when you can look and we're like, yes,
Her work is great.
Yeah, give her a follow.
Yeah, so she is going to win our Long Lashes and Bold Brow Lash Growth Serum.
They're in that top drawer. So Mondays we do a Mab Monday, and we just highlight basically we pick a product or a couple products and we show them off. Tuesdays, Tip Tuesday, sometimes we'll show how to use it, which sometimes is more simple, sometimes it's more intricate. So then we do that. Then Tip Tuesday, that's what we do for Tips Tuesday. Wednesday we do a Win It Wednesday. Mm-hmm. Then she'll post all the directions on the My Absolute Beauty Instagram. Okay. And then Thursday is Trendy Thursday, which is today. So we are going to be talking about Microneedling and BB Glow. And then Friday is a Follow Friday.
For Trendy Thursday, well, really for any of these days, you guys are more than welcome to shoot us a message and give us ideas, inspiration. So for Trendy Thursday, if you guys find something crazy on Pinterest that's a new trend, and you want to learn more about it, and it can be like new nail styles or the new trends in eyebrows or the latest skin tools,
we don't do
whatever it might
nails, but
but
it can like something like that.
It can be something, something like crazy. Sometimes I see these things that are
out there,
not related to anything, eyebrows and lashes.
Anything that we do, but
it's still cool to know that it's like going on. So it can really be anything. Same thing with Follow Friday. If you have somebody in your life that inspires you, encourages you, makes you a better person, you can always send us a message and nominate someone.
It can be your mom. It can be
the mailman, your mom, your
spouse,
coach. Yeah, it could be anybody, your boss, anybody. So shoot us a message on the My Absolute Beauty Instagram page and tell us why they inspire you, and then we can nominate them. So that will be for tomorrow, actually.
And it needs to not be private, just so we can see their work.
We got to make sure that their page is appropriate to post for all ages.
Right.
So we ask that they, follow us or allow us to follow them so that we can see suit we're working with. But
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyhow.
And then we want to show them the plasma. So we have been doing some trainings. It was myself, Krista Money, another head educator, and we have been just training under another lady who is certified with, I can't say too much just because we don't know if we are going to go forward with these products or not. We're making sure that everybody that has used them likes them. So, and we want to do our homework. We don't want to just jump into something. So you might see it sooner than later, or you might not see it at all, and we'll keep you posted on that.
There's a lot of research that has to be done, calculations.
Lots of research, talking to companies, going and making,
talking with your state board,
everything. There's so
stuff.
much, FDA, tons and tons. So we want to make sure we cross all our T's and dot all our I's and make sure that everything is nice and will run smoothly, and we're aware of all the risks and the benefits and all the good stuff. Yeah.
But with that all being said, we did trainings this last week. Kate and Kristen did trainings next door, and one of the trainings was on the plasma pen. So we got, Kate got some sunspots done.
I've had these forever. This is the third day. I did it without the numbing cream because I wanted to know what it felt like. I didn't think it was bad. It felt like little itty bitty pokes, but so the sunspots, they turn more brown, and so more brown than they ever were. So I look like I have old lady hands, and then the scab will just fall off you. It's a dry heal.
Yeah.
So it itches. In the first day, it felt like a little bit of a sunburn. It wasn't bad, but it does itch afterwards, just like any healing when you have a cut or scrape it. Yeah,
especially when it's dry heal. So
yeah,
we
did
my
forehead.
I had a scar here. I don't really see it like flaking or anything quite yet. So we're on day 3.
So it can be from 3 to 8 days is average to keep the scabs on.
For me, it's still just like really red. It wasn't that red before we did it. So, but it'll start changing. So yeah, a month to a month and a half before you see like full results. But she told us that the crazy coloring, because I was asking her, if I wanted to do my entire forehead or something, I would have to wear a baseball hat for forever.
If I have lines.
Yeah, because it's this like, it almost looks like war paint or something.
Yeah.
It's all these little tiny dots, and so I'm like, I couldn't do my whole forehead because I'd have to wear a hat for a month.
We did a
But
lot
she
of
said that it
different things.
only really lasts for, I think she said like 8 to 10 days. And then even after 48 hours, you can put makeup on it. So technically right now I could put makeup on this, but I think it looks kind of cool.
I think it looks kind of cool too.
Battle
You
wounds.
should see the other guy.
But yeah, so you can, if you wanted to do a bigger section of your face, you can totally wear makeup on it to cover it so that it doesn't look as crazy and wild. But
we did one. You can do lifts with it. There's a way to make your eye lift. So people with droopy eyes right here, the older we get, everything kind of heads south. So it will help with sagging skin. But we did a girl right here, and it lifted up her eyes right here, right out.
And it was more on like her brow bone area than on her actual
and
lid.
You can do the eyelid as long. There's just a few things, of course, you have to watch out for. But yeah, the plasma pen was awesome. We did microneedling with BB Glow, which that is going to be our training Thursday that I'm going to get into, and then the hyaluron pen. And the hyaluron pen was that's one of my favorite things too. I tried it and it's great. The instructor did my lips, and she only put a little bit in the sides just to make them more even and symmetrical, but I bruised so bad. I mean,
like instantly
I bruised super easy, and it is bruised like all the way down and around. Like it looks like
you guys can't really see it, but I can see it like through her lipstick and her foundation.
You can see a little bit there, and then this is super swollen. But the weird thing is it hurts more now, and it doesn't even hurt, but it did not hurt to get it.
Yeah.
It
everyone
didn't.
said that it kind of just felt like a flick, and it sounds like a flick. It sounds like a really hard, loud flick.
The noise is the worst. Yeah.
Well, yeah, because that anticipation, and then it's like
and then
loud.
Yeah, and so we did it on a few other lips. We did it on a girl where she had a scar right here, and then we did her little marionette lines What else did we do?
Oh, chin.
Oh, the chin. I did her chin too, right here, where she had just a wrinkle, and we filled that in.
I think that was it, and then lips, and no one else bruised.
No one else bruised, just me. We even did 2 other sets, 2 other models, their lips, and not one bruise. They didn't bruise.
Yeah.
At all. And they used more. So
kind of just depends on the person.
It does. I'm really anemic, and it's really hard for me to keep ironing, and yeah, I bruise easy. Yeah. So that's unfortunate, but I love it. I am still really swollen. I like how it's not painful. I've had it with a needle. It's painful. I will never do that again, ever. But the hyaluron pen was so great, and there's no bumps. I feel no bumps because it goes in between the cells, and it's through air. Air injects it into and perforates a little bit of the skin, but I can't feel anything, like no open holes or anything. That's cool.
Yeah.
But today we're going to talk about microneedling when we get into all the other stuff. Sorry. We did the 12 needles of the microneedling, and we don't use numbing cream on any of our models. And so they come in different needles. So the microneedle, some will come in 12, some will come all the way up to 36. There's just different size, different amounts of needles. And I like the 12 needles one just because it's not the weakest and it's not the strongest. I feel like the 12 is plenty. It's just a good round number just for the treatment area. So the microneedling is really good for melasma. Melasma, you know, the hormones, where you might get some dark spots. That really, really helps. And there's also the serums that you can push in to help lighten that. It helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles, the texture of the face. It helps
deep wrinkles.
Deep wrinkles, it does help. Yeah, like I could do it on your entire face. You can go all the way up underneath the eyelids.
Are you saying the entire face has deep wrinkles?
No, it's just great for your entire face. No.
Did anybody else catch that?
I would not say that, because if anybody has deep wrinkles, it's me. Yeah. Someone else say anything? Okay, no, something else. Sorry. So yeah, and basically what it does is the needles go in your skin, your body thinks it's under attack, and so your body will start making more elastin and collagen. So about a month and a half, kind of like the plasma pen, you'll see your best results. So your body will keep on making the elastin and collagen, and will start getting rid of those fine lines, evens the texture. I mean, some people peel just a teensy bit, not really peel, it's almost like a dry flake.
Okay.
But none of my models that we have done have had anything. They just are loving it. And so after the microneedle, we did the BB Glow.
Yeah.
The BB Glow, I have to stress, is not a pigment. It's minerals, and it is a skin treatment. So the minerals is a plus, so it can better conceal any age spots, a lot of things. It just helps even out the skin tone. Like it's not permanent. It's just minerals.
That's it looks like a BB cream or like a tinted moisturizer.
Yeah.
So super dewy and glowy, but it really evens out. Like if you've ever used Bare Minerals makeup is what it reminds me of. But it's just very light, but
yeah, it stays for up to 6 months. You can have more than one treatment, and then it will stay even longer. But you can, you're not going to see a line, you're not going to see anything like that, you're not going to see the look of like any makeup looking thing. It just makes your skin look better. It's like a better version of your actual skin.
Yeah.
So it's great. And you also can do the lips even, and you can even contour with it. You can use darker colors and do the contouring wherever you want. Yeah, there's a lot to it. But it's great. I love it. I want to do it.
That's great.
My models look gorgeous. All of them. Kristen's models. Yeah, you can do a lot. There's really good things. I want to know if anybody's ever tried the BB Glow. Have you heard of it? Anything about it, let us know, good or bad. I want to hear all of it.
Yeah, with the plasma pen, if you guys have used one, what's your favorite plasma brand?
Or the hyaluron pen. If you guys really love it, the more we hear about it, the more likely it might become a product here at MAP and a training session. I don't know. Or a course, training course.
Yeah.
We don't know. We want the best, safest. We want to make sure all our things have been tested, tried and true, and we get good, consistent results. So we don't want to run on Amazon and be like, oh, plasma pen, there we go.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure everything is safe and
Top of the
legal
line, really
and
proud.
yes. So there. Yeah, so give it, look it up, the Microneedle with the BB glow, and you can do the BB lips, the BB contouring. It's like Christmas for me. I think I love all this.
It was pretty cool to watch.
Yeah.
It was really cool stuff.
Yeah.
The hyaluron pen
is amazing.
Still blows my mind.
Yeah.
I'm like, how can it do that? How can it work like
And
that?
not
It's
hurt.
crazy.
I didn't think it hurt. None of the other girls said it hurt. They were like worried, and then we did it, and they were like, "Did you do it?"
Because there's
They were
no
like, "Yeah,
needle or
we did it."
anything. It's just this little
And it's a lot. It's not.
tube with
Yeah.
a little bit of liquid in it.
And if
And you
you,
just crank it and then
it's like a little
like shoot it. It's like
yeah.
air pressure.
Yep, it's air. Yeah.
Crazy.
Shot through pressure in there, and that's the worst is probably putting the pressure of the machine on this spot. That's it. It just feels like someone's pushing.
You have to
really
get
hard.
it in there really
Yeah,
steadily.
you have to make sure
Really
it's
sturdy.
flat, and it's because it can. If you don't, it won't. It will leak out the side. You have to make sure it is to the point of contact and press and hold. There's ways to do it. Definitely don't pick one up and just start doing it. No, there's different fillers for different areas. There's
Well, and you
a
have
lot
to
to
like
it.
twist all those different
Yeah, there's
all
how
those
you
little
load it.
gizmos and
You
gadgets.
have to. Yeah,
It looks,
it's.
out of all of them, I think that looks the hardest.
Yeah, it's a little bit of
For
a
sure.
learning curve with all of them, but yeah, please just don't pick it up. Do your research, take your courses, don't learn off of YouTube. I mean, YouTube's great, but I even looked on YouTube before we had the courses, and I was shocked at what people were doing. I was like, oh my gosh, no, please stop. Yeah,
Scary.
I bash on Amazon a lot, just for beauty
Well,
products.
just for beauty stuff.
Yeah.
Like it's,
No.
I don't know.
I get stuff from Amazon every day, so don't think
Yeah.
I hate it. It's just the beauty
Amazon
products.
Prime.
Yeah.
Changed my life.
Yeah, it's
In a bad way, maybe.
good and bad.
Yeah.
It's that catch 22.
Yep, yep. All right, guys. Well, we've got a big list of things to get done today, so
Yeah.
thanks for being here with us this morning. Tomorrow we will be doing Follow Friday,
It'll
so
just
that
be
is where I
Kenzie.
highlight someone. Yeah, it'll just be me. We'll do 8:15 again right here, or I guess on these pages it's about, I don't know what time is it.
It is 8:51.
Okay, so it was about 8:30 I think when we started.
8:30.
around in there. So yeah, I'll be back on here tomorrow to announce who we are doing for Follow Friday. Once again, if you guys want to nominate someone, or if you have a topic you'd like us to talk about, or if you would like to join one of our live sessions,
Yeah.
you can shoot us a message over at My Absolute Beauty on Instagram, or you can send me an email, Mackenzie at My Absolute Beauty. That's MACKENZIE at My Absolute Beauty. And then Kate's email is KATE@myabsolutebeauty.com.
So any educator questions or courses or
If you have
anything
questions
like
about
that,
trainings or prices, anything,
yep, email
requirements.
me, social media, anything, and marketing.
Yep.
Mackenzie.
All right,
Thanks,
guys. We will see
Have
you
a
tomorrow,
good
or I will
rest of
see
the
you
week.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye.